Raise your hand if you have taken the military physical examination. Thank you. Firstly, I just want to talk about in what age man mostly goes to the military. 70% of the men goes to the military when they are 20 to 21 years old. 20% of the men goes to the military when they are 21 to 22 years old. 7% of the men goes to military when they are 23 to 25 years old, and the last 3% of the men goes to the military when they are older than 25 years old. The reason why I'm informing this topic to you guys is because firstly, I got my military physical examination on August and I wanted to share with you guys. And secondly, most of you might want to know how the physical examination works because most of you haven't got the examination. So today I want to tell you the process of the military physical examination and how it works. Specifically, I want to tell you what we have to do step by step and which treatment we have to take if we go to the military physical examination. Firstly, if you go into military administration, you will be instructed to go into the computer room. In there, you will have to do a survey that you can introduce yourself to the military administration. For example, how many languages can you speak or have you ever access to drugs? By this, the military administrations can know about you easily and correctly. And after this, you will have a chance to make a credit card for your military life. This is essential to all the people who goes to the military. The reason why they make this credit card is because they are lots of benefits while you're in the military. This slide is the benefits that you can get from by creating a credit card. And second, also in a military, there is a mart for soldiers called PXS Mart. In this mart, they sell products in half of their original cost, and you can buy it with these cards. After doing these all things, uh, you will be instructed to go to the first physical examination room. In this place, you have to take X-ray, draw blood, and you have to do urine examination. X-ray part is very simple. You just stand still about 5 seconds and the teachers say it's done. After taking the X-ray, you have to do an urine examination. From urine examination, they can find out the human waste that you emit, also to check if you have any disease that can harm you. After this, you will draw a blood. They will draw blood about 5 small containers. They changed from 3 to 5 small containers because they classify the blood examination more than before. And they need to check if you have spread of infectious diseases or if you have hepatitis or AIDS. After this room, you will be instructed to go to the second physical examination room. In this place, you have to measure the weight and the height and have to do eyesight test. Measuring the weight and the heights are simple. You just go up to the machine and measure it. From this, your grade can go up or down. For example, your height and the weight's proportion doesn't match, then your grade will go down. Eye test, eyesight test is also similar with measuring the weight and the height. And lastly, there are several parts of doctor's office. In this place, you can talk to the doctors if you have some problems in different parts of your body or organ. After this, your military grade pops up in the screen, for example, first grade or second grade, and that is the grade when you go to the military. And today we talked about step by step about Korea's military physical examination and what we have to do in each room, and also which treatment we have to take. And I wish finally in my conclusions, I wish all the boys who have not yet went to the military have a healthy life in the military and come back safely. Thank you.